What we got here today is a 52-inch KDK ceiling fan. I'm not sure if this was considered part of the Royal Air family or not. Not really too sure. It's a pretty oddball fan to say the least. The fan is in a brown and brass finish. However, the bottom plate, which is stamped steel, has a more of like a hammered bronze kind of finish to it. Pretty interesting. The blade irons are brass, polished brass, has a polished brass decorative ring on the bottom. The canopy is not original. The fan was missing the original canopy when I got it, so I had to use that moss canopy that I had lying around for the fan, just to help make the fan look a bit more presentable. Here for the video, the blades are a walnut finish, non-reversible. The fan basically gets its design cues, I would say, off of the Westinghouse Sidewinder, of course. The top part of the motor has a plastic cover that covers the entire thing, even where the blades mount to the motor itself. The motor is I would say around a 188 millimeter motor. It's die-cast zinc on the bottom, stamped steel on the top there. And pretty interesting. So without further ado, we'll get it started. We'll start up here on low. Fan's a bit buzzy. I would say mostly due to the mounting system. I don't have the original rubber bushing that the fan used to hang with, so I had to improvise, and the way I have it rigged up there probably is not really the quietest method to hang it up, but it works. I also kind of think the plastic motor top also helps amplify that vibration as well. We're going to take it up to medium. Fan has a decent wobble on medium, unfortunately. Blades are not in true alignment. I believe there might be a balancing issue as well coming into play here. And here's the high speed. High speed, I'd say we're doing around 170, maybe 175 RPM. Blade pitch, I would say, is around 11, maybe 12 degrees. So it's an okay air mover. KDK fans were not really known to be the best performers, but they definitely make that up in the obscure factor. We'll go and watch it coast. Yeah, the top housing of the motor, of course, spins with the blades. It's directly bolted to the motor, just like a Westinghouse Sidewinder. that's all I got for this one. So that was the 52-inch KDK ceiling fan in brown polished brass from the early 1980s. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be seeing you next time.